Hi, thanks for joining me as I walk through showing you how I choose an ebook or audiobook to read. So once you find a book that's of interest to you in Sora, and in this case I picked one, Miscalculations of Lightning Girl by Stacey McNulty. If it's an ebook, you'll click on the cover so that you can find the blurb about the book. This would be like having a physical book in your hands and reading the inside cover of the book or the back of the book. Once I've read this information about the book, then I will click on Read Sample. And the reason I'm going to click on Read Sample is because I know that in Sora I can read some of the book before I check it out to determine if it's a book that I like, if it's captivating, and if I understand what's going on in the story. And so I would go ahead and read at least 5 to 20 pages of the book to decide if this is the book for me. Once I've read through some of that and decided, I can go ahead and close out of that sample, and I can go ahead and commit to the book here by clicking Borrow. Now, if this is a book that you know you might want to read, but you don't want to read it right now, you can also add it to your wish list. The wish list is defaulted and you can access it on your shelf. And so if I click Add to List and click on Wish List, it'll be added to my wish list. Once I've read it, I can go ahead and delete it. Or if I decide I don't want it on my wish list after all, I can go ahead and click on Wish List and click this X, and it takes it right back off. All right, so now let's look at an audiobook. We're going to look at the same book, just in audiobook format with the headphones on the front. If this was a book that I didn't know anything about, I would click on the cover of the book, and then I would go ahead and again read through that summary and determine if this is a book that would be of interest to me. And if it is, then I'm going to go ahead and click on Listen to Sample. It's really important that you listen to the sample of the book. This will give you an opportunity to decide if you understand what you're listening to. It will give you an opportunity to decide if you like the voice of the person who's reading and if you can understand what they're saying. Every person who reads books you'll find are different, and so this gives you a chance to know if it's right for you. So I'm going to go ahead and just play this for a moment here.
1. I don't remember the moment that changed my life 4 years ago.
Okay. And if I listen through that sample, usually they're about 3.5 minutes to 5 minutes. If it's a book that's keeping my interest, then I could go ahead and close out of that sample and then go ahead and click on Borrow. And again, same thing, if I want to put this on my wish list because I want to read it later, I can click on Add to List and then click on Wish List. And then I would have it on my wish list in my shelf so I could go back to later when I'm ready to listen to this book.